Hi guys, I don't know if you could see me because I'm holding the camera backwards, but hi. Um, I'm going to make slime. I have two slimes up there and one in my backpack. So I'm gonna need Elmer's glue, Tide, a bowl to stir and mix with, and then a plate to play with once it's done. Alright, I think my older sister's doing the same too. Gotta be quiet. Oh, why are you using my paint?
Can I use this though?
For?
To make the decoration or no?
You could use...
Unless, do you know where the other paint is?
Yeah.
Where?
It's, I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, so that's outside. I made it outside. Right. So, here's my other slime. All three of my slimes have glitter. I think my sister has slime right now. Right there. The paint's right there.
Oh, thank you.
Look. Is that slime? I want it.
Yes.
Oh, my sister just gave me some slime. Hey. Do you have a container for it?
I just lost my.
Oh. Well, then I'm mixing with other slime. So, yeah. And we usually dye our slime with paint, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I forgot I have my sister's slime. It's all dried up and stuff. It looks like Play-Doh. Smell. Look at this dried up slime. This dried up slime. It was sitting under my container forever. Oh, my sister's bringing her humongous Elmer's thing up. So yeah, she's setting up too. Okay. So hold on a sec. Oh, oh, okay. Never mind. I guess I'm just gonna.
Can I use that pink when I'm done?
So first step I'm gonna do is open my Elmer's glue bottle. Okay. I opened it up from the top because I want this a little bit big. Yes, I use foil for a more.
This is red. Because that's why I made this one red.
So the glue was pouring out. Slime is like my favorite thing.
For what?
So that's all I'm using for right now. That was better than this one. Okay. So now I'm going to open up the Tide. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't need a lot. Right, so I opened it. I'm going to pour some in the cap. This is very dangerous what I'm doing. Okay, so I have Tide Simple. It's in here. I'm pouring it in. Okay. Now I'm about to mix it. My sister, she don't want to waste her glue and mess up her slime, so she just wait until I do this. Right. So you want it to start forming. When you first mix, there should be like, if you're doing it with your hands, there should be like a squiggle like that. If you're doing it with your hands. If not, you're just gonna have to wait to see if it's forming. Wait, I'm scraping the bowl because I want all the glue in. Because sometimes when you put a lot of glue and add detergent, like none of the glue comes out. So I'm about to find a place to put my phone down at. Where you guys can still see. Okay. Or so I'm still stirring with my finger. My sister's gonna use my plate. So I'm gonna go put up another. Stop! No. Did you touch one? Later. No, later. Mommy, I can touch one because I'm gonna wash my hands. Mom, the mailman's here. Yes. I'm gonna go grab the mail after, and I'll take you guys with me. Yes. Mom just said yes. Okay, just wait. Oh, touch that one right there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. He just did. It's size, and he knew that. No, the other one, the pink one. Oh. It's stickier. I think it's not. And what's that? So, it's formed. I don't want too much liquid on it. And I need something. I need a spoon Right. Yes. So, right now, I'm gonna be right back with mine. It's so sticky. Right, so I'm gonna add some Tide so it could be a little less stickier. Put some on my hands from the bowl. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. It's supposed to be a bubble right here. It looks like a spider web right there. Does this look like a spider web? I want to make this like a orange slime for Halloween. Okay. You still have that candy? The candy? Mm-hmm. No, Mom, do that. Why? You're going to put that in your slime? Mm-hmm. I know, because it's not going to be edible slime. Mommy, could you ask Dad if Dad could buy us some gummy bears? No, it's going to be Dad. I want some gummy bears for edible slime. I want to ask Dad that. Because Dad's at Walmart. Well, my slime formed. Look at my slime. Okay, so there's actually a spider web space. I blew a bubble and it makes crunchy sounds. That's it, hello, pizza. Yeah, I thought that was the baby crying. That was humongous. So, if you don't know how to control slime, sticky slime, I would not play with slime. I will not try to make slime. But if your friend gives you like not sticky slime, go ahead, have it. Don't add nothing in it. No. Is that butter slime? I know, it looks like it, right? Okay. Is that? Yeah, I think it's a wobble. Actually, I could add it. Yes, I'm going to wobble. With the wobble. And don't make any mess and we catch it. If you don't know how to control sticky slime, see, there's like nothing on my hand. On my hands, because I know how to control sticky slime. If you don't know how to control sticky slime, I will not try to make slime. Like my brother, I have myself make him some. Because once you don't know how to control it and you try to make it, because it turns out sticky at first, your hand's going to be a mess, and wherever you're doing it at, it's going to also be a mess. So don't try to do it. Ask your friend if they could make you some, or if you could have a piece of the non-sticky slime. And yeah. So bye. Hope you have fun.